King and the Crow. Once upon a time, there was a king crow and a queen crow. They were flying over the king's palace when they saw the king's cook cooking malpua for the king. The queen crow told the king crow she wanted to eat the same food as the king. The king crow told her it was dangerous as they might get killed. The queen crow insisted she would eat only the king's food. The king crow tried to convince the queen crow but in vain. The king crow called his minister and told him his wife insisted on eating the king's food and asked what to do. The minister told the king crow not to worry and that he would make a plan to get the queen crow what she wants. The minister made a plan of attack and took other crows with him to the palace. When the cook was taking the cooked food to the king, the crows attacked him and the cook dropped the plate. Taking advantage of the situation, the crows took some malpua and rice for the queen crow. The king was angry at the crows and ordered the cook to catch them. The cook immediately ran and caught one of the crows. The king told the crow he would have to die for stealing his food. The crow told the king he was just trying to serve his king and queen and that he was successful. The king was pleased by the crow's sincerity and service and told him from that day onwards they would provide food for the crow king and queen. Moral of the story: faithful service attracts mercy.